Hello there, welcome to today's special edition of the Lovecoin videocast. This is Alisa here from lovecointoken.com, and in this video I will be revealing how you can claim up to 200,000 free Lovecoin token by completing several simple steps. In addition to being a philanthropic cryptocurrency that supports user-voted upon charities. One of the things that makes Lovecoin different from other cryptocurrencies is the fact that 40% of the total Lovecoin supply is airdropped to help onboard new users to the currency. This means that at the moment you don't have to pay money upfront in order to start using Lovecoin, like you do with other cryptocurrencies. Instead, we are giving you the very special opportunity to claim up to 200,000 free Lovecoin tokens today by completing the following. Step 1. Visit lovecointoken.com and sign up for a free account. Sign up takes less than 2 minutes, and upon completion you will initially receive 50,000 free Lovecoin tokens. To sign up, first click on the Get Started tab on the lovecointoken.com website. Next, enter your email address on the preceding pop-up window, and lastly fill out the preceding several field registration form. Once you are registered, you should see an account balance of 50,000 Lovecoin tokens that you are free to withdraw from the site and start using. Step 2. Once you have successfully signed up for lovecointoken.com and logged into your account, proceed to also sign up for our advertisers website cryptoperhour.com. Cryptoperhour.com is a microjobs website that enables anyone in the world, regardless of age, gender, and location, to start making money online by completing simple step-by-step microjobs. The site offers payouts directly in cryptocurrency, so there is no requirements to have a bank account or PayPal set up in order to get paid. Once you have signed up for the website, proceed to visit the faucet page located within your members area and scroll down to the Lovecoin section. Proceed to click the provided link to claim 100,000 free Lovecoin tokens as a sign-up bonus provided by cryptoperhour.com. Step 3. Proceed to follow Lovecoin on Twitter via twitter.com/lovecointoken. Once you follow us on Twitter, you will receive 25,000 free bonus Lovecoin tokens. You should receive a direct message from us on Twitter providing you with a link to claim your free token within approximately 1 hour after following us. Step 4. Lastly, to receive 25,000 additional free Lovecoin tokens, simply log into Facebook and then go to the URL lovecointoken.com/Facebook list. Proceed to click the Send to Messenger button to subscribe to the Lovecoin Facebook notification list. Once you have done this simple step, you will receive an automated Facebook message with the link to claim your 25,000 free Lovecoin tokens. By simply completing the above 4 simple steps, you can claim 200,000 Lovecoin tokens completely free of charge. One thing to note, this offer is strictly time limited, so be sure to act now before it expires. With that being said, this is Alisa here from lovecointoken.com signing off. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Cheers!